Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your P2P orders on the Binance. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Binance app. So I'm going to open the Binance app here. As you can see now, simply we are here. We have to create our account, then we have to verify that. And now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this profile. Simply I'm going to click on this profile icon. And now we have to go to P2P option. And as you can see, now simply we are here. So if you want to sell the USDT or any other currency, you can also do that. These all currencies are provided here. Or if you want to go to the sell it, you can also sell this or you can buy this as well. I'm going to this option. We have to click on this second icon. So let's click on this. As you can see, this is the order history. You will be able to see you all here, all orders here. Like if you want to see the unpaid, you will be able to see the unpaid here. If you want to see the paid, if you want to check out the appeal or fulfilled or ongoing, these all orders histories will be provided here. For example, I'm going to show my this history here. I have sold these ones here. As you can see, you can check out these as well. So in this way, you can check your order history and the Binance. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.